Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial about how to create reels on a CapCut for your Instagram users. So the first thing you have to do, open your CapCut application, and after that, to make a simple and fast and quick reels for your Instagram, you just need to jump into the template. In this template, you just need to choose which templates that you want to use for your reels. You can if I can suggest you, I suggest you to choose this with a high amount. Means that this template is used by several amount of account, so it's quite popular. You can use this to get more and more engagement on your Instagram. So for example, let's do with this, and you can just check about how this videos going on, and after that you just need to use template. And now you just need to choose the videos that you want to add, or you can also choose the photo, but today I think I would like to choose the videos here. Just go smoothly, follow all of the instructions, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click preview. Done, you just need to go click export, and now you just need to go click save to device. Wait, hold on until it's 100% success, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click share it into Instagram. The CapCut will be sent into the Instagram, and you just need to go click fit, and now you just need to go click and click next again, and just ready to share these reels into your Instagram. So that's the way how to create reels in a CapCut, guys. Hopefully it's really helpful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.